Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will unboxing a 3M Filtrete room air purifier. So I went to a Walmart this morning and I got this air purifier. This is for small rooms. It's 110 square feet. They also have 290 square feet and 370 square feet for a large rooms. But I think this is good enough for our room. This helps improve the quality of the air, and it also captured the particles including dust and lint, dust mite debris, mold, spores, and pollen, smoke and smog, bacteria, viruses, PM 2.5, and exhaust particles, ultrafine particles. Filter is already included. And you have replacement filter options. Filter lasts up to 6 months. Allergen reduction filter, allergen reduction plus other defense filter, advanced allergen, bacteria, and virus filter. So it is AHAM verified, Energy Star. The filter size is F1. So in here, do you know what's in your air? So you just read it. Room air purifier help get a cleaner, fresher home. So it is electrostatic air filtration, sufficient airflow, air quality expert. HEPA type filter captured 95% of airborne particles. So it is same on the front. You can also see in the box that it help get a cleaner, fresher home. 3 speeds to control cleaning level, quiet operation, filter change reminder. So if you are looking for an air purifier and want to save more money, this air purifier is for you because it only costs $49.94. So let's go ahead and unboxing this. You can see the arrow here. Comes with a manual. Okay, so this is the back side. This is the handle, I think. And this is the front. So you can see the filter inside. So I'm gonna open it. There you go, the filter F1. And it also have a 3 dial, 1, 2, and 3. So this is the reset. I think this one is when you change the filter, that's the time that you will reset or click this button. No more. They only have one color, which is black. So let's try it and plug it in. So I already plug it in. And I will try number 1. Number 2. And number 3. So there you go guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.